These 6 warning signs show that your liver is full of toxins. The liver is a vital organ which regulates the toxins and waste in the organism, and if it does not exist, then the toxins will take over the body, and you will start feeling sick. This organ transforms toxins into waste, making the body expel safely through the poop and urine. This looks like a dirty and harsh job, but some organ has to do it. For that reason, it is highly significant to do anything in your power to make the job easier. Opening your eyes and making yourself start right now is going to do the trick. You will have to watch for the warning signs that your liver is full with toxins. In case you feel some of them, then it is time to take your health in your hands and start caring. Sign 1. Unexplained weight gain. When your liver is damaged and is not able to fight off the toxins attacking it each day, the reduction of calories and going to the gym will not help. The body became used to storing unfiltered toxins in the fat cells, and this is a reason for what you feel at that moment. The liver is responsible for going through grease, but if you keep it busy with something else, then it will start running sluggishly and will leave the fat cells fight on their own. Their only fighting activity is absorbing fat and making you bigger. Sign 2. Allergies. If the liver feels something is not right, it starts creating antibodies that attack the allergies and making them go away. However, the liver will not be able to do its proper work if it runs sluggishly. If it is too busy, it will leave the allergens develop in the body. The brain sends signals on regular basis to the liver that the body gets harms of the allergens, marking the allergens for removal, but the liver cannot finish the job. It becomes a problem if too much histamine is built up. You will feel dizzy and will be able to feel the allergy symptoms such as fogginess, headaches, and itchiness. Sign 3. Chronic fatigue. This is the most common sign when it comes to liver toxicity. The toxins disrupt the metabolism of the muscles and cause fatigue, aches, and different pain. The fatigue process worsens when a backlog of toxins comes back and take down the whole immune system. Sign 4. Excessive sweating and body odor. We can compare the liver with a car, so when you drive it for too long without leaving it to rest, then the temperature meter gets higher. Also, if the liver gets overworked, it will get hot and then the whole body becomes hot and cools itself. Be excessive sweating. Sweating can then lead to body odor. Sign 5. Acne. Hormonal imbalance can be caused by toxins and they are vivid through the acne all over the body. Sign 6. Bad breath. If your bad breath keeps coming, then it might be a sign of liver malfunction. In case you feel these symptoms, it is important to consult your doctor and speak about the possible cause. Do a checkup on your liver to see if it works normally or it is a bit rusty. Raisin water for a liver cleanse. The liver is the largest organ in our body, which is located in the upper abdomen on the right side. There are many important and complex functions: production of the protein, synthesis, processing and disposal of fats, processing and storage of carbohydrates, elimination, processing and excretion of potentially harmful biochemical products. There are many different diseases that can harm the liver, such as hepatitis A, B, and C, cirrhosis of the liver, fatty liver, etc. In addition, many drugs we consume because of other diseases can damage it. Best comprehensive and effective detoxification of the liver you can do in just 2 days, with this simple natural recipe. First, buy a good raisin from a reliable manufacturer. Put it in a pot and fill the pot with water. The amount of water should be in the ratio of 3:1. So if you put a cup of raisins, pour 3 cups of water. Put it to boil. After 2 minutes, remove the pot and cover. Allow to stand for 24 hours. Strain off the water from the raisins. Use. A beverage can be drunk cold, warm, or hot. Drink in the morning on an empty stomach. After 2 days you will see the first effects of this home brew. However, even though you feel better in just 2 days, it is recommended to drink at least 7 days. It is very important to avoid junk food and alcoholic beverages during this cleaning in order to have a full and complete effect. Doctors confirm, This is the plant that can heal almost immediately the liver, gallbladder, and desinflama intestines. Heal yourself, not the leaf-in. Scientists have recently been able to discover a powerful herb with numerous health benefits that can treat many diseases. The herb is known as horehound, and is a natural cleanser and digestive, while also being a great expectorant, with anticatarrhal properties. It can be used against hair loss, respiratory and digestive problems, and can reduce inflammation as well. The herb detoxifies the body of toxins, and can assist the liver in the removal process, and improve its function. And horehound's health benefits don't stop there. It can treat cardiovascular problems, and protect the heart, is a powerful natural diuretic, and can regulate your blood pressure, and cholesterol levels as well. Finally, it also promotes weight loss. Here's how to prepare horehound tea, and use it as a remedy against numerous ailments. Ingredients: a handful of horehound, a bottle of white wine. Preparation and use: wash the horehound leaves nicely, then put them to a bottle of white wine, and leave them to soak for up to 10 days. Afterwards, strain the tea and pour it in a glass bottle. Drink a cup or glass of the remedy every day, after your meals, to boost your digestion, and clean your liver. Here's another horehound-based remedy that will protect your heart, and promote weight loss. Ingredients: a few handfuls of horehound leaves, 2 liters of water. Preparation and use: put 2 liters of water in a pot and bring it to a boil, then put the leaves in and leave the tea for 30 minutes. Strain it in the end and sweeten with some honey or brown sugar. Take 3 cups of the tea a day and keep the tea in your fridge. Remember to drink it warm. After 3 days, the tea won't be effective anymore, so you'll need to make a fresh amount. Drinking the tea regularly will provide results in just a short time. It will heal any liver problem, and improve the function of your gallbladder and digestive system. It will also boost your cardiovascular health, and delay the aging process as well. Ginger tea recipe revealed: dissolves kidney stones, cleanses liver, and kills cancer cells. First, I would like to say a few words about ginger. We can easily say that ginger is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Yes, and you should also know that ginger is a rhizome in the Zingiberaceae family, and it's related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. Note, rhizome is found underground, but it's actually a stem, not a root. You'll be amazed when we tell you that ginger has been used for centuries to relieve aches, pains, and many different health problems. It can be used as a spice in all kinds of cooking, as well as brewed to make tea. This super healthy stem is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals which make it extremely beneficial for your overall health. It is well known by its long history of use for improving digestion and immunity, relieving pain, and fighting cardiovascular diseases, asthma, and many other health issues. Yes, and you should also know that just 1 cup of hot ginger tea beats cold in winter, much better than any other beverage. Ginger tea can provide many health benefits, such as, it can fight infections and boost your immune system due to its antioxidant properties. Ginger tea is very effective and beneficial against virus that causes influenza, colds, and cold sores. Ginger tea can also improve blood circulation, mostly due to its warming properties. It also improves oxygen, vitamin, and mineral delivery. It can also help you relieve pain, treat sore muscles, cold, flu, and headache. This super healthy tea has ability to reduce the risk of stroke. You will need the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon organic raw honey, 1/4 teaspoon of ground organic ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground organic turmeric, 1 cup organic coconut milk, 1 cup of filtered water. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you should bring the water to boil. Then, you should add turmeric and ginger and let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Add coconut milk and then strain the tea in a cup. Enjoy your homemade ginger tea. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.